In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this OPPO. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. In them, select Keyboard and Input Method, tap on Manage Keyboards and Keyboard. Finally, click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. Now tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and finally hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into exactly the same settings, swiping up and tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Finally, you can pinch your photo to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and click on Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, just click on it, tap on this bin icon next to key borders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by tapping on the chosen one, clicking on this pen icon next to the bin one and making your changes. Then tap on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!